In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these cool PowerPoint slides. I also want to thank all of you for your support. If you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. No more talking, let's jump right in. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank one. Then go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and under Basic Shapes, select this partial circle. Hold the Shift key and draw it like this. Select the shape, then click and drag the yellow adjustment handle until it becomes a 90-degree quadrant. Now duplicate it 3 more times by pressing Ctrl+D to make a full circle. Rotate them one by one and position them to form a circle. Keeping the spacing between the 4 shapes equal. Once done, select all 4 shapes. Go to the Format tab and group them. Now you can move all of the shapes at once. Now right-click on the grouped shapes and go to Format Shape. Under Line, choose No Line. Next, double-click on a single slice to select it. You will see the yellow adjustment handles appear. Go to Format Shape, choose Picture or Texture Fill, and insert your first image. As you can see, the picture needs some adjusting. We can do that using these settings here. You can also rotate the image with the shape. Adjust the height and width using these options until you are happy with the look. Repeat these steps for the other 3 shapes. So I've now inserted images into every slice. Now let's add our background image. Go to Design, click Format Background, and select Picture or Texture Fill. Choose the image you want as your background and insert it. Let's make the background a bit darker so that the text we add later is clearly visible. To do this, insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Under the Format tab, set the Shape Outline to No Outline and the Shape Fill to Black. Now select the rectangle, go to the Format tab, click Send Backward and choose Send to Back. Select the rectangle again, right-click, and go to Format Shape to increase its transparency. Select our circle and, under the Format tab, go to Shape Effects and add an Offset Center Shadow. Let's zoom out a bit and move the circle here. Rotate it to match the first topic like this. Once done, go to the Insert tab and insert a circle. Draw it like this and place it in the center of our image circle. Set the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to white or any color you prefer. Now, let's add the text. Go to Insert, select Text Box, and draw it like this. Type your title and format the text as you wish. Then increase the font size. Add another text box for the description. Type your text and format it so it looks clean. Finally, set the text alignment to justify. Once finished, right-click the first slide and duplicate it. On the second slide, rotate the circle to show the next topic's image. Then change the background by going to the Design tab, clicking Format Background, and inserting the next image. Let's change our texts. After that, go to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition. Repeat these steps again. Duplicate the slide, rotate to the next image, update the background and the text, and finally, add the Morph transition. I have now created the fourth slide using these same steps. Now, let's take a look at the final slideshow. Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your ideas in the comment section.